Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आम्ही लोक गोंयांत पडचो नाका ह्या संस्थेचे नांवान ऑलरेडी आतां 6 MLAजाक मेळ्ळ्यात. चडशे 60 आमी ऑलरेडी काम कॉमेस केलां आनी सगळे 6 MLA जांकां आमी आज पर्यंत मेळ्ळ्यात सगळ्यांनी 100% सपोर्ट दाखयला आमचे हे मुवमेंटाक की जे CMान जो स्टेटमेंट काडला की डबल ट्रॅकिंगचें काम चालू उरचें तें परत घेवन CMान हें काम बंद करूंक जाय आनी हाजी सगळे पुरावे कित्याक लागून हे आमी सगळ्या मुखार दवरला आनी सगळे कन्विन्स जाल्यात सगळ्यांनी मान्य केला की हें काम बंद करूंक जाय. आतां आमी बाकीचेय सगळे MLAजाक मेळटले नाल्यार कशे भशेन हे माहिती तांचे कडेन पावयतले आनी आमची अपेक्षा आसा की जाता तितले बेगीन सरकार हें सगळें काम बंद करतलो.
We are GKN members and today we have got and met Mr. Digambar Kamath and Venzi and Cruz De Silva, and we have asked them to be with the people, and people are against double tracking. So and the Supreme Court order has passed, but the government is going against the wishes of the people. So we are come here and we'll be going still to Ullas, Ishwant Venkor and others, Yuri Alemao and the others. And we, the people of Goa, will stress on this double tracking that we don't want Goa to be a coal hub, and we want to protect the environment and everything for the future generation. And we, the people of Goa, together. So the government cannot force and lie to us, the people of Goa. So this is a very clear message that we are giving out to everyone to come in support of this.
What has been the response of the MLAs that you have met?
The MLAs have been very positive and they said they are with the people, and so we are looking forward to this a positive change, and yes, that's what it is, because the government is just lying and lying. It's been years, people were silent before, going by the word of the government, but today we are aware, everyone is aware that these are all lies and they are just enforcing all these projects on us, and our tourism state is going to be destroyed and going to be a coal hub. Everything will be finished. Fishermen are going to be finished. Tourism is going to be finished. So what are we going to be? Tourist destination, the big image that we have worldwide is going to just collapse. And this is not what the Goans want. So we are going to fight for it. That's a right. That's it.
सद्या आमी सगळो लोक हांगासर एकठांय जाल्या आनी जाता ते भाशेन आमी हे MLAक मेळोन आमचे जे दूख आसा तें तांचे मुखार आमी दवरलां आनी आमी सगळ्यां लागीं एकूच मागतात की आमकां हे गोंयान कोळसो नाका. दुसरें म्हणल्यार हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग जी केस आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टानसून ऑर्डर पास जावन येयला आनी आमकां जाय ते भाशेन ते जावपा मुखार आमी तुमचे लागीं मागतात की आमकां हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका आनी गोंयांत आमकां आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक आमकां कांय फायदो जावचो ना. सो हे आमी जे आमचे करंट गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट करता ते तुमी मानून घेवचे म्हूण आमचें हें मागणें.
आयज आमी सगळ्या आमच्या MLAक स्पेशली कोस्टल लायन आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग जे इफेक्ट जाता ते सगळे MLAक आयज आमी मेमोरंडम दिवपा भायर सरले. सकाळीं पयलो आमी दिगंबर कामत तशेंच MLA सिल्वा क्रूज ताका आनीक ह्या वेळार आमी वेन्स वेगस ताकाय मेमोरंडम दिला. सगळे MLA पॉझिटिव्ह आहाय आनीक लोकां बरोबर रावपा तांणी आश्वासन दिलां, प्रॉमीस केल्या. आमची एकूच मागणी CEC फावंडेशन CEC रेकमेंडेशना प्रमाणे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आमच्या गोंया गरजूच ना. डबल ट्रॅकिंग जर जालें जाल्यार फक्त कोडशा हेंय तांणी CEC रिपोर्टांत क्लियरली मेन्शन केलां. तर आमची मागणी सरकाराक आनी भोव करून आमचे सगळे MLA आहाय तांकां कमींग एसेंब्लींत तेणी हो इश्यू घेवचो आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग जें गोंया आनी गोंयच्या लोकांक नाका आनी स्पेशल जे कोडशे लागून जावपाचें आहा तें गोंयच्या सरकारान सगळ्यांनी हें बंद करपाक आमची माग.
हो गोंयांत कोळसो नाका जो डिमांड आहा हो म्हाका दिसता इवन बिफोर आय वॉज इलेक्टेड एज एन MLA वी वर पार्ट ऑफ दीस एंटायर मुवमेंट बिकॉज वी आर अगेन्स्ट वॉट इज this present government, what is their intention, and we are totally against this intention. Goa need not be a coal hub. There is alternative resources and alternative modes of energy which the entire world is looking at, and we are still trying to see that coal only continues and passes through our own land. आणि हांवें मुगे फर्स्ट स्पीच जी हांवें असेंब्ली दिल्ली तेन्ना हांवें स्पिकर सरा कॅटेगरीली सांगलोलें की स्पिकर सर आमी इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स तूंय इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटीव, आमकांय जाय तितलो हक आसपा जायो, कसलोय डेव्हलपमेंटा पयशे युटिलायज जाता तुकाय आसपा जायो. तेच भाशेन आज परत हांव हें रिपीट करून चीफ मिनिस्टराक सांगूं सोदता, सर हांवूय इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटीव, तुगेले MLA आहाय ते इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स, जोरी तोरी आज कसलोय प्रोजेक्ट मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हाका लागू जाता जाल्यार डोंट यू थिंक यू शूड कॉल मी. आय मायट बी एन ऑपोजिशन बट यू शूड कॉल मी. म्हाका आपोवपाक कांयच तुगेलो, गव्हर्मेंट तुगेलो, पूण गोंय तुमगे न्हू. Goa, we are also equally there to develop, to protect our land. So it was your duty, but what you have done is, you along with your few members, tumi Mayache Saltarke, tumi the ruling is not applicable to Kulem to Vasco route, and work will go ahead as planned. Mun tum decision gele. Am kide? Dusre MLA je konange itu lagte te tum काहीच decision आमगे घेवपा नाका. That means we are sitting here for what? जाल्यार तुका हाडपाक आशिल्लो हिंगा इलेक्ट करपाक भणाल्यांक. सो आय थिंक दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. वेन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हॅज गिवन अ क्लियर ऑर्डर, and in the order if you go to para number 20 of the order, what does it say? It says that we are in agreement with the CEC that the requirement of coal can be met by utilizing the Krishnapatnam port, which is a viable alternative for transportation of coal. The said suggestion would also prevent the degradation of the Western Ghats. Courts clearly सांगता जाल्यार तुमकां समजना जेन्ना कोर्टा सजमता की we do not want this route, you can use this alternative route, then why are we hell bent to spoil our Western Ghats? Strongly object this, and I want to be part of this decision making. I am an elected member here, and same are the other elected members. We want to be part of such decisions. You cannot take such decisions by taking a few MLAs of yours, and you cannot decide for Goa just because you are in power. We will object all these kind of things that is happening, and we are going to stay here for Goans and for Goa.
This Goyan Kolso Naka demand is basically the stopping of double tracking. They've also highlighted that Supreme Court judgment. I have told them that I am with them. I share their anxiety. As far as whatever support I can give, they can count on that. I have further said that during my election meetings, I have very clearly told people that the Congress party, if it comes to power, will stop these 3 linear projects. And therefore, I feel that it is a commitment on my side to support their movement. Yes, it is not within our powers to stop the project because we haven't come to power. But otherwise, whatever I can do, can definitely count on myself.
एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलां. तांचें म्हणणें की सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जजमेंट जाला आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान तांकां खूब कंडिशन्स घाल्या आनी ते अपहेल्ड CEC रिपोर्ट. आतां तो बेल्ट म्हणटा ते तांकां करपाक खूब टायम लागतलो. दे हेव टू अगेन गो बॅक विथ एटलिस्ट म्हणजे घाट बीट एरिया पळय आहा सागर एंड ऑल दॅट सायड, दॅट वील टेक 5-7 years इवन इफ दे वॉन्ट टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ दी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर. सो तें पयलीं करचें अशें तांचें म्हणणें. तें करून मागीर तुमी हें करपा जाय करतले जाल्यार. पयलींच हें नाका, पयलींच हें करून तें जालें ना जाल्यार मागीर कितें फायदो आसा असो तांचो म्हणणें आसा. सो दे वॉन्टेड me to raise it in the assembly whenever assembly session is there. I said all right, no problem.